Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to quickly change the description of a Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, following the latest update. Whether you want to update your group's guidelines, share important information, or simply refresh your group's intro, this simple process will help you keep your community informed and engaged. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Telegram Web. Log in with your account details if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Find and click on the group where you're an admin. Remember, only admins can change group settings, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. After opening your group, direct your attention to the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your options menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the option labeled Edit. This will take you to the group's management page, where you can modify various details about your group. Now look for the section labeled Description. Here, you can type in your new group description. Whether you're providing a warm welcome message, outlining group rules, or updating your group's purpose, make sure your description is clear and helpful for both current and future members. Once you're satisfied with your changes, head to the bottom or the top right of the edit window and click Save. Your new description will be instantly updated, and all group members will be able to see it the next time they visit the group. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram group's description using Telegram Web on your PC. Keeping your group description up to date is a great way to ensure everyone stays informed and your community thrives. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who might benefit from these quick steps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.